What an honor it's been to participate in this last lecture event. I would like to congratulate our speakers, Tiana Bresson, Dr. Deanna Benke-Cook, and Rich Appia. What an honor to experience the university and community through your words and lives. I would also like to acknowledge the work of our Student Experiences team, particularly those individuals who work so hard to make this event happen and to allow us the time to spend together in person and virtually, marking this important milestone and celebration. Class of 2022 Griffins, I will always remember you with fondness and pride. You have spent half your academic journey under challenging circumstances, yet you've maintained your quality and character and have stayed true to our Griffin values. You have remained respectful in the face of adversity and uncertainty. You have exhibited your caring nature by supporting each other when the challenges were overwhelming. You remained determined to complete your degree despite the many pivots you were asked to make. You engaged with your coursework, student experience opportunities, and community, both virtually and in person. And you remained authentic, helping our community maintain that special Guelphiness that makes us unique. In mythical lore, a griffin guards a kingdom's riches and priceless artifacts. At the U of G, I will say that our most precious artifact is our community. Your legacy, class of 2022 Griffins, has been to preserve, protect, and contribute to our wonderful community, despite the barriers that the COVID pandemic presented. It's been a privilege to have you as members of our community. I wish you great success as you complete your academic work and move into the next stage of your life and career journey. Your University of Guelph experience has shaped you as a person, scholar, and citizen. As a person, you have grown and developed into an individual that is autonomous and ready to make their way into the world. As a scholar, you have been presented with opportunities to explore ideas and understandings of how things work, with the hope that it's instilled in you a passion for lifelong learning. As a citizen, you've experienced both the individual and collective responsibilities required for communities to be successful and thriving. Class of 2022 Griffins, your academic goals are within grasp. In a few short weeks, you will have completed your exams and will be making plans for convocation. Your degree will soon be yours. The completion of your undergrad doesn't mean an end to your relationship with us at the U of G. We invite you to continue your relationship as a member of our alumni family. As alumni, there will be volunteer and leadership opportunities, perhaps joining the University of Guelph Alumni Association, providing leadership as a member of our Board of Governors or Senate, much like Rich Appia has done. We welcome you to be our champion, sharing your experience with prospective students, encouraging employers to hire a Guelph student or grad, participating as alumni speaker in residence, joining for house calls, being a mentor. Come back to campus and visit us often. Alumni Affairs will provide you with many opportunities. As you leave us, remember the skills, knowledge, and values your time at Guelph has provided you. The memories of your challenges may fade, but the memories of the good times will remain strong. Griffins, you are ready. Your future looks bright. Go out and make your mark. We'll be cheering you on. Remember, you are a student for a short time, but you are a Griffin for life.